Hello everyone, welcome back to another Loyal and Save training. Today we'll be going over the loyalty settings for POS settings. On the menu to your left, click on Point of Sale, Maintenance, Settings and Panels, POS, POS Device Global Settings, Loyalty Settings. This section contains settings for how your register handles Loyal and Save scenarios. Scanned ID starts with allows you to define a prefix associated with loyalty cards used for loyalty members. The prefix will appear on the barcode on the back of the loyalty cards. Please note, you do not have the ability to customize this field. The default option will be LNS. Scanned ID length. This setting allows you to define the length of the loyalty card numbers. By default, it is set to 14. Auto Open Customer Profile Window. This setting determines whether the registers automatically open the customer's profile on the POS when adding loyalty customers to the transaction or not. Allow check-in without membership. Determines whether the customer is allowed to check into your location on the mobile app, even if they are not a part of the active loyalty promotion or not. This option is related to a membership module that is outside of loyalty and is currently not in use. Prompt for email. This setting determines whether the register prompts the cashier to add the customer's email to the loyalty account. Prompt for referral code. This setting determines whether the cashier marked as both employee and loyalty customer is prompt to enter a referral code when signing up a new loyalty customer. This setting is used when a loyalty customer who is also an employee and is marked within the system. Prompt loyalty coupon usage when available. This setting determines whether the register automatically prompts to use the customer's loyalty coupon when the account detects that a coupon is available. Require driver's license for LNS redemption. This forces the cashier to scan the customer's driver's license when doing a redemption. Prompt for reason customer not on sale. This setting determines whether the system prompts the cashier for the reason a loyalty customer is not applied to the transaction when the subtotal button is pressed. Post loyalty in background. This setting determines whether the system posts a detailed loyalty transaction to the control center immediately after a sale or about 30 seconds after. Normally, we would recommend having this on. Prompt for phone. This setting determines whether the register prompts the cashier to add a customer's phone number to their loyalty account. Prompt to add an LNS customer during an uplift. POS prompts to add an LNS customer to the transaction during an uplift prompt. Allow loyalty lookup on license scan. This setting determines whether the system looks for and adds a loyalty customer to the transaction after scanning a license. Print balance on receipt. This feature allows the customer's token balance to be printed on the receipt. Before we wrap up, there are two additional essential items that need to be enabled as well. We will go to the Register Settings tab. From the Register Settings tab, you will notice here on the right-hand side the POS widget, Show Customers widget. If this widget is turned off, you will not be able to see your customers, so please make sure that this widget is turned on. Next, we're going to scroll down. If a customer has not been detected at the beginning of the sale, you can prompt for a loyalty as the first item is scanned by toggling this option on.